Okay, welcome to the second day. As usual, pause the tape until you're ready to go through the warm-up. Okay, number one, a classroom has 24 girls and 14 girls and 25 total students. If a student is chosen at random, what is the probability that it's a boy? Well, we know from the problem that there's a total of 25 students and 14 of them are girls, which means 11 of them have to be boys because 14 and 11 give us 25. So the probability of a boy's name being chosen is D, 11 out of 25. Now, number two is going to take a little bit of time, and you definitely need a calculator. So we'll walk through it. It says the store receives its shoes from the manufacturer for $24.50. The store marks up the price by 35%. So the first thing we had to do here is take $24.50 and multiply it by 35%. If you don't have a percent button on your calculator, which some of you might not, what you'd type in is you just type in 24.50 times 0.35 because 0.35 is equivalent to 35%. When you do that, it gives you $8.57. So the markup is $8.57. The original price was $24.50. So that gives you a price of $33.07 after the markup. So after it gets marked up, now the price is $33.07. We also have a 7% sales tax. So that $33.07, to find out what the tax is, we'll multiply that by 0.07, which is 7%. When you do that multiplication, it gives you $2.31. To get to the final answer, we take the price after the markup, which was this 3307 plus the sales tax. We add those together and we get a total price of $35.38. And that makes sense when you think about it because the original price was $24.50. It increased by a significant amount with the markup here, and it increased some more with the sales tax. Number three, what is the value of x in the equation? This is a pretty simple one. First thing we're going to do is take 3 away from both sides. That leaves us with negative 5 equals 5x. We'll divide each side by 5, and negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1. Now, number four, this inequality, it's a similar idea. It's a little bit more difficult, though. The first thing that you'll notice that I did here, and I'm just going to draw the arrow just to show you, is that I boxed in the variable because it was a negative. That lets me know that at the end of the problem, I'm going to need to flip the sign. So the first step, we got to get rid of 5. We take 5 away from both sides. That leaves us with negative x is less than 13. We'll divide each side by negative 1, and dividing by that negative 1, you'll notice is why this sign got flipped. That's the answer, is going to be a greater than sign. So x is greater than negative 13.